So I just needed to sort out some lighting. Looked a bit dark in here. In any case, let's get to this. So this was off the sneakers app. So it's I'm guessing an Air Jordan, but which one I cannot remember. It's quite exciting when you get Nikes that are not in the regular red box. So it's the Air Jordan 1 Comfort Zoom in a UK 9. Oh yeah, I remember this. It says Rush Pink Rose Intense. So this is a colorful one. So as you can see, there's a bit of writing here on the side. That's a recyclable made in China badge. Oopsies. There's also a YDM. To be honest, I'm not the type of person that can tell if a shoe is fake or original. So well, obviously one of the benefits of buying it directly from Nike and not from a reseller is that I won't get caught. And besides that, well, obviously I'm getting it at a better price if I get it directly from Nike. So yeah, let's see what this is. Air Zoom Comfort, designed in Beaverton, re-engineered for ultimate comfort. Just telling you a little bit about the shoe, I guess. Although at this point, I think everyone knows that you don't always get quality when you buy a Nike shoe. You're now just buying them for the look. And yeah. Oh, actually, this is really soft though. Look at this. You know, I've only bought two Jordan Comfort sneakers in the past, and I was impressed with both of them, like quality wise compared to the regular ones. I think this is supposed to have that jagged look. Yeah, not my personal favorite because it just looks untidy, but it is what it is. Ooh, I really like that color. Pops. Okay, so that's like a suede that feels like leather, really nice soft leather. This is also suede, but the entire thing is so soft. Oh, this is actually a cutout. See where the swoosh is. Badge is also really soft. There's, wow, it's definitely a comfort shoe. So zoom in there. Okay, let's get a 360 look at this. The second shoe is wrapped. Actually, they were both wrapped, so I don't really want to open it. So I'm not going to. I'm sure they both look the same in any case. Let's just, yeah, have a 360 view of the shoe. So if someone was looking down at your shoes while they're talking to you, that's probably what they would see. If someone saw you from the side, that's what they would see. The other side, if you were looking down, oh, that's what you would see. I've also noticed that people are moving away from buying highs and rather spending their money on two mediums, since they're both like two mediums is basically the price of one high. So I just thought maybe I'd measure this. I don't have a medium on me, but yeah, if you were just curious, maybe my next video will have a medium. Actually, I don't think I've ordered any mediums recently. Nothing has been releasing, but yeah, if you're curious, so this will be centimeters. That would actually be 15, not 5. It's 10 to 15. Yeah, so but for my knowledge, I think it's I think the medium would be 13, because it's supposed to be for me like two fingers. So yeah, it's not a big difference between the two. Yeah, well, I got this for retail, but if I were going to pay reseller prices, I probably would do the same and get two mediums instead of one high. To be honest, I would just get a low as well, because it's summer here at the moment. Well, it's hot at least, and yeah, I don't really get the whole I mean, I think it's more of a statement to be wearing a high than it is like comfort. Yeah, okay, let me know what you guys think. Do you only wear highs? Do you wear medium? Do you wear lows? What's your preference? Or do you only wear dunks? Or I wouldn't wear a dunk high, just saying, they just don't look great. Yeah, there's something very weird about the dunk high look. Even the disrupts, actually, I used to like the disrupts. What are they called? Dunk disrupt. But I don't know, now I just find that they're really chunky, and I prefer the clean look. Yeah. Although last year I think I got two disrupts, purple and the coconut white. Yeah, but I don't know. I guess we go through phases, what we like, what we don't like. Why does this box not fit? So strange. There we go. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully I will have another one again soon.